what is the important point I would like to share you? We are having a lot of question. We have a lot of complaint. We always have complaint with God. Why God has created problems? If He has not created problems, He is able to solve it. Then why God is not able to solve problem? Why He is not helping us? Many are poor, many are sick, many are having tension, so many problems. They should not have it. If it is explained and it is taught by the prophets that love of God is infinite, this is not the love, that we are having suffering of all kinds. But we should know God will not give suffering. What is the root cause of suffering? Let us think the example. If you are a newborn baby is not able to walk and talk and work as we are doing. But we never said that baby is not good. And baby also smiles, is not having that kind of frustration. Sometimes when baby remembers his astral life, when baby was not having the body, then baby was walking without leg, working without arm. Everything visual and audio were experienced without eyes and ear. Such great expanded consciousness was. But when that consciousness is working with the body, feel limitations. We cannot see more than this. We cannot listen more than that. We cannot talk more than that. We cannot do this and that. That limitation creates problem. We want to free. We want to realize our unlimited nature. Exactly the same as a small baby wants to work like parents. They want to walk, they want to talk, they want to do all work. If parents are doctor, engineers, newborn baby want to work like them. But it will be done, it will take time. When try to understand this, then we should not have complaint. We are growing like children of God. Maybe our physical age appears different, but our consciousness is like children of God. We are growing. And Kriya meditation is called the perfect nutrition for growth. As we have nutrition, oxygen, many other gases, nitrogen, we need it. They enter into our body. Food we eat, we listen, we see, all these activities we do, all these activities provide nutrition. In the same way, Kriya Yoga provides the highest nutrition. In that nutrition, our body is changing. And body starts changing, then we see this world differently. Because body just brings a realization of limited things. When body changes, then journey of limited is going towards unlimited. By repeated practice again and again, one day we realize body changed completely. Now we start having experience like Krishna, like Jesus, like Kabir, Nanak Dev Ji, Lahiri Mahasaya. Sometimes changes are very fast. Then we are not able to tolerate it. Then we should reduce the practice. We should not say that we are sick. Sickness never exists. Reduce the practice, but do not stop the practice. Sometimes reduce, sometimes increase it. But keep on practicing it. When we decide to practice it, then one day we will realize we have reached to the higher stage. Now whatever you see, this universe differently. At the moment when we are one with the truth, then we will realize we never exist. It is God who has become all. If God has become all, then we do not have any jealous, no comparison, no competition. We appreciate all. If somebody is working or not, doesn't matter. Both are equally valuable. If somebody is very weak, fragile, cannot work, somebody is working very hard, then do not think that person who is not working is having no value. Try to understand like this. If you have gold or silver, Try to make a small thin plates which you can break with the pressure of fingers. Try to have silver and gold as a small structure, very strong like some bamboo like a structure, like a rod of gold, a rod of silver. You cannot break it. Then what is the value, price of the silver rod, gold rod, or silver file, gold file, very thin, all are the same. But when you see, press it, the gold and silver, it is fragile. Try to bend the rod, difficult to bend. But price of both are equal. In the same way, some person is like fragile, cannot work. Some person is very hardworking. You should not have this idea, who is good, who is bad. This is very important to understand. And how to get this idea, moment your body will change, you will have this idea. As body is not able to receive some vibration, there is limited vision, limited hearing. In the same way, we have limited perception of knowledge. When we are experiencing knowledge in limited way, then we have all kind of criticism. He is good, he is bad, she is good, she is bad, he is very nice, hardworking, he is very lazy, not working. Then we have this kind of talk because we have limited knowledge. When through the practice body changes, when we have great knowledge, then we never criticize anyone. Then we understand why it is happening. When somebody is fragile, not able to work, somebody is working all the time, like Gandhiji, walking all the time, other persons were not able to walk. What is the reason? Because other persons like just thin film, thin paper like a structure of gold. But Gandhiji's structure you can imagine like a rod of gold, rod of silver. But the price of both is the same. Moment you have this kind of thought, you will not have any complaint with anyone. And we want that things. Because in this world you will not find that all are equally the same way. You will find different layers. Somebody is very lazy, this laziness starts reducing, then become fully active like God. From the highest laziness up to the supreme stage of realization, you will find the value of each and every creation is the same. Then we have no complaint. When complaint stops, sickness disappears. Therefore, how to reach to the stage where we have faster transformation of body? That is the Kriya Yoga meditation. Now we are ready to practice. आइए हम क्रिया योग का अभ्यास